Hello everyone, so we are back again with a new video where we are going to talk about how we can log into our credit card on our Venmo account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, we need to click on our Google search engine and type in the URL of Venmo Credit Card, which is http://venmo.com/about/creditcard/login. So after this, we will be redirected to this kind of user interface. Now all you need to do is accept the cookies or either cancel it and click on sign in and apply button, which will redirect you to its login interface. So once you're redirected, you need to fill in your email address and your password of your account and just click on sign in. So this is how you simply log into your credit card on your Venmo account. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these interesting videos. Thank you for watching.